Alright guys, I'm finally here at Home Depot to pick up my tool chest, and this all started up when I got my first toolbox after college, and I've been carrying that around for my entire adulthood, and I'm finally growing up to get a real tool chest to fit everything in so it's not all cluttered up on shelves, and I'm so excited. I just need to make sure that it fits in my compact SUV here. It comes in 2 boxes, and when I read the measurement it should fit, but I don't know, maybe I have to do 2 trips. But the other factor is it's very heavy. I think it's above 300 pounds total, so I'm hoping that somebody from Home Depot can help me load it, and then on the other side I'll have to figure out how to unload it without hurting myself or damaging the box. All right, we'll see you soon.
When you're ready,
Yeah.
you just move.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, left. And then slide down.
Okay, that's good. I think if we push it inside.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay. What if it just goes in like this?
Okay. Let's try it.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's try it.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's gonna close.
All right, guys, we got it fitted here. Oh my goodness. Check that out. Whew, that was tight. So for those who are wondering, if you have a compact SUV, you can definitely fit 2 boxes for this 36-inch Husky tool chest from Home Depot. So let's get it home and unload, because that's going to be a whole different challenge because I won't have anybody to help me with. Cheers. All right, so this is the part that I didn't really think through yet. I was conceptualizing maybe using my bike lift to ease the load when I'm bringing it down so it doesn't crash down. So I'm gonna try to rig that first and then see what happens. Because the first one's a lighter one, so I think I'm okay with that one. It's just this bottom part, which is the heavier portion. Yeah, I'm gonna film the whole thing just in case something happens. All right, so I got the bike lift up as high as possible, and then I'm gonna just gently try to slide this down, let this take the load, and then I'm gonna move it to where I need it to be. That works. Now I can move it around. Well, I'm gonna use 2 hands because the last thing I want to do is show off and then make it fall. Okay, so 1 down, the bigger bad boy to go. Whew, wish me luck. Ooh, shit's heavier. Okay, hoping that I can just like bring it and then go right side up. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Okay. I mean, I could have done a prettier job, but the idea worked. So I'm gonna put this down and then I'm gonna do the quick unboxing of it because I don't think there's enough of this on YouTube. And then I'm gonna do whatever the installation that's required of it. I don't think there's that much. I think though just the wheels that needs to go on, and then top portion just needs to be laid on top, but we'll see how that goes. Whew, I need to catch my breath. All right, let's go.